Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CCL. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a pretty rough day for cruise lines and airlines. So, I mean, it's not like this thing was alone, but a nasty, nasty gap and trap is really the best way to summarize it. What is a gap and trap if maybe you're new to charts? So all that means is that on Thursday, the price closed right there, and then this morning, the price opened up there, hence the gap up. And then you can see after the opening bell, it was just all selling pressure essentially the remainder of the day. Now, granted, the price did make a little bit of a upwards move right there. But overall, yeah, a nasty, nasty gap and trap is the best way to summarize this movement. But this is also now what's bringing up, to me at least, a couple of interesting levels that I'm very curious about going forward. And the first key level that I'm curious about is this area of support right here. So actually, let me change that to support. And this is more so just a trend line that's sitting out there. And you can see that going through a quick history check, has been doing a pretty good job of showing where the price has decided to stop going down. But what I'm more interested in is from a short-sided perspective, not saying that I'm looking to short, but my point is there's going to be a lot of shorts watching that area and wondering, and it's because it's a rational thought to have. But if the price breaks down below that trend line, again, not guaranteed to happen, but a rational thought is that that could very well create quite a bit of downwards pressure, whereas the next level of support is not until these lows down here, right around the $17 mark. So, I mean, there's some opportunity there for, at least to lock in some profit. And I mean, it's not guaranteed to stop at 17, but I mean, if it got down to that level and kept on going, that could be a very solid trade. So like I said, I'm not saying that I'm necessarily looking to short it there, but there's shorts watching that level. And I feel like just because there's so much bearish momentum, I'm going to map out the next level of support, which would then be down around $16.50. Now, in the event the price wants to try to bounce back upwards, at this point, I think the most straightforward way to gauge that is just to watch a purple line there, the 50-period moving average, which is currently valued at $19.11. But overall, yeah, things are looking pretty bearish going into next week, but we'll have to see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.